In this video we are discussing some tips for maintaining car for beginners. 1. Checking engine oil level. Checking your vehicle's oil is very easy. First park on level ground, then open the hood, and look for the dipstick, which is likely yellow. When you pull the dipstick for the first time, wipe it off to get a clean fresh reading. Reinsert the dipstick, then remove it again. You will be able to get an accurate reading of the level of oil in your engine. If it is too low, it is time to fill it with the recommended oil type for your engine. You can find which type of oil is best for your vehicle in your owner's manual. 2. Checking brake fluid level. Checking your car brake fluid level is simple. First open the car hood and find the brake master cylinder. Most newer cars, the reservoir is transparent, with lines marked minimum and max. The brake fluid level should fall between these lines. If the brake fluid level is low, then add the recommended brake fluid into the reservoir tank. You can check the recommended brake fluid in the car owner's manual, or in the top of the reservoir tank cap. 3. Checking coolant level. Make sure the engine is cool. It is very important for your safety that the engine is cool before you open up the cap of the radiator. Open your hood and locate your radiator and coolant reservoir. Some older vehicles don't include a reservoir, but most modern vehicles have a small tank for filling and checking the coolant level. The reservoir should be clear plastic, so you can easily see the level of coolant and the maximum fill line. Before you top off your coolant, inspect your current coolant for any unusual coloring or contaminants. If the coolant level is low, then fill the coolant into the maximum fill line. 4. Checking battery condition. Check your battery voltage using multimeter, and check the battery condition indicator lamp. 5. Checking tire conditions. Check your tire tread condition, and check the tire uneven wear, and inspect the all tire, and check the tire pressure. 6. Checking wiper condition. The wiper serves to clean the windshield of the car at the front and rear. Wiper works by removing oil, dust, rainwater, and dirt that get stuck to the windshield. Inspect the wiper blade condition, replace if it necessary. 7. Checking windshield washer level. Fluids formulated specifically for cleaning windshields generally do a better job of cleaning than just water. Check your windshield washer fluid level, and fill it if the level is low.